And there you can see water is big. Yeah. And water is not the problem. Water is not harming. Yeah. Water is only the transport system. The brown stuff is sedimented. This is making the radiation, not the water. Yeah. So you can see it very nicely. Oh, there. Yeah, it's coming out through the layers.
You can see the color change over there.
Yeah.
Of the
Brown stuff.
gray, black into brown.
Waterway number 1, the big one. And here we have waterway number 2 coming out here. We were measuring with the Dowsing rod. This is waterway number 2. And there we have number 3. Here's waterway number 3. Yeah. And that is the famous geovital waterway because everybody, nearly everybody on the world who is dowsing was one time here to do the training by himself or learned from somebody who was doing his training here. And they're always standing here at that waterway. Yeah? And you get baptized, drink a little bit, put it in your neck, and you are super in
like
dowsing.
Ceremony. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can see clear
I would guess.
how the water influences the rock.
I would guess in the 45 years we are doing the training here since 1982. More than 1,000 people were here doing the seminars, doing the training, and that is fantastic because you can douse up there. Yeah. Super. Perfect. On the road up there, and you can prove yourself if you have a look. Okay, there was my beginning, there was my end. Is that correct? You don't have to believe me. You can have a look by yourself.
Yeah, you can double check yourself down here that the water vein is crossing the road and you get it right up there.
That is the quality of the geovital seminar. You know? That you can see it, touch it, feel it. And that is the important information for your head, that you can do your dowsing in a good way.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Sasha.